Good morning to all of you. My name is Sajal Sarkar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapith Mount Abu. Today I am going to teach you mathematics of class 9th and today's topic is triangle. In this topic we will generally solve today, that is congruency of triangle. On the basis of that we will solve question. Exercise 7.1. Then the first question is, in quadrilateral ACBD is a quadrilateral. In this, AC is equal to AD. This AC side is equal to AD side, that is given. Okay, and AB bisect angle A. AB is a line circle which bisect this angle. Bisect this angle A means ACD. AB bisect. Bisect means this angle is equal to this angle. That means if this angle is 30 degree, ACB is 30 degree, then DAB is also 30 degree. So AB bisect this angle. So these two angles are equal. This is given. What we have to prove? Show that triangle ABC congruent triangle ABC ADB. That the congruent we have to prove. And another question is that what you can say about BC and BD. So what is given, that is given here. All these things. What we have to prove? Then in to prove you will write that this triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD. Now I am writing a proof. So in proof, in triangle ABC and triangle ADB, there are the two triangles. You look, ABC is one triangle and ADB is another triangle. So in both the triangles there are three sides and three angles. Now we have to find out which angles are corresponding angles are equal and which corresponding sides are equal and why they are equal. And on the basis of the criteria of congruency, we will find the congruent of the triangles. Okay, congruency of the triangle. Now, look, this is one triangle ABC, this is another triangle ABD. Then here it is AC, BC, and AB. These are the three sides. Here it is AB, AD, and BD. Then we know that AB is here for this triangle also. AB is here for this triangle also. So both the AB is equal to AB common side. AB is for this triangle, AB is also for this triangle. Then AB is equal to AB common side. AC is equal to AD, that is already given in the question. In triangle ABC, AC. In triangle ABD, AD. These are equal, that is already given. So it is written given. Reason we should write. Why? Because it is given, it is common. And CAB, look here, CAB angle, this angle, and DAB angle, this angle. These angles are equal. Why? It is given. Why it is given? Because AB bisect angle A, that is given by SAS congruency. Why it is SAS congruency now? We consider in this triangle ABC, we consider this side and this side, and this is the included angle. You look, we consider in this triangle, this side and this side. We consider AC, we consider AB, and this is the included angle. So the condition is SAS, two side and one included angle. So SAS congruency. Here in this triangle also, we consider this side and this side. This is AB and this is AD, and this is the included angle. So this is the congruency is SAS congruency. So by SAS congruency, triangle ABC congruent triangle ADB, as they are congruent. So the remaining parts means corresponding parts are equal. So CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. What is the CPCT means? Corresponding part of congruent triangles. This is meaning corresponding parts of congruent triangle, that is CPCT. So by CPCT, the remaining things, that is third side, we have considered two sides, then third side BC is equal to BD, and then angles are also equal. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. So these are the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. So these are remaining corresponding sides and corresponding angles are also equal. Here only we have to find BC and BD, then we have written BC and BD. Now we come to the question number 3. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. AB is a line segment. In this, one perpendicular is this. Perpendicular means you know this angle is 90 degree, and another perpendicular is this. This is also 90 degree. These are the two perpendiculars on BC and on B and A. On the point of B and on the point of A, this is a line segment. So that CD bisect AB, but they are equal perpendicular. Equal perpendicular means this is equal to this. That means AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC because they are equal perpendicular. They are 90 degree also and they are equal also. So now we prove in triangle BOC and triangle AOD. These are the two triangles. In triangle BOC, we have seen BC is equal to AD. Why BC is equal to AD? Because this is given equal perpendicular. Given means equal perpendicular. So BC is equal to AD, that is given. OBC and OAD each 90 degree. OBC this angle. OBC this angle and OAD this angle. This is 90 degree given because perpendiculars. So each 90 degree. So we consider this triangle and this triangle. In both the triangles we have again 3 sides and 3 angles. Then which are equal and how they are equal, why they are equal, we have to mention also. So each 90 degree. And angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. BOC this angle. And AOD means this angle. These two angles are equal. Why they are equal? You know these two lines are intersecting lines and these are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. So then what is the property? Now look, you consider this angle and this side. So this is not included side. If it is included side, then angle side angle. But here it is angle side because this is not the included side. These are the two angles at any side other than the included side. So included side, what is the included side here? AO is the included side. But we have considered which side? AB. We have considered here AB. We have considered here BC. So BC, this angle and this angle. That means you see BC and B angle and this O angle. That means this is not included side. So as it is not included, so this will be angle side congruency. So by angle side congruency, triangle BOC congruent triangle AOD. As they are congruent, so again by CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Other sides are also equal. So BO is equal to AO and CO is equal to DO. But CO is equal to DO is not required here as per the question. So we are not written here. And this angle will be also equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. This side will be AO is equal to AO side equal to BO side and DO side equal to OC side. These are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. But here only we require this. So we have written that BO is equal to AO. BO is equal to AO means CD bisect AB. Because AB bisect means BO is equal to AO. O is the midpoint. BO is equal to AO. So CD bisect AB. Hence proved. Okay, I have sent you the other solutions also, and in the online classes also I will discuss with the other questions also. Okay, thank you.